Hi, I'm Alfred Toole, and I'm going to be talking about keyboard shortcuts in Windows. So let's get started. So the first one is to press the Windows key. And what that will do when you press the Windows key, it will show you a list of programs and apps on your device. And you can press it again and it goes away. Next, I'm going to press the Window key plus Shift and the letter S. I like using this one a lot because it allows you to create a screenshot. And then once you have this, you take the crosshairs, drag it across, and it will capture what you just copied. You must click on it right away in order to save it to get this pop-up. If you miss it, just do it again. The next one after screen share is Windows D. So let's say you have a whole bunch of stuff open and you just want to get to your desktop. You press Windows D and it gets you to your desktop. You want to get back to where you were? Press Windows D again and you're back where you started. The next tip is the magnifier, where if you press Windows and plus or minus, it will magnify in and out. So here's something magnified. And you'll see what happens if I press these buttons. And I move in. That's plus. And this is window and minus. And I get you back. All right, so that's the magnifier, and you have some settings here and some controls. I also use Windows and Tab a lot. And so that's usually when you come in and you hit Windows Tab, you'll notice what happens. It minimizes stuff and you can pick and see what's open on your screen. All right, so if you press Windows and Tab again, you're back where you started. Alt Tab is what I use when I have a bunch of different apps open and I want to cycle through them. So here you go, Alt and Tab together. There's the PowerPoint presentation. There's Adobe Premiere. If I do it again, I can get all the way here. I can also show you I'm using Loom to create this video. And so that's how that works. So Alt and Tab. Control P is a popular one for a lot of people. So Control P. One of the things I'll tell you too is if you don't have a printer and you need to save something and then print it later, you can always click this tab right here and come down here and choose where it says to save as a PDF. And if you choose a PDF, what it'll do is it'll save the document there and you can print it later. All right, so Ctrl+Alt+Delete is when your computer seems to be frozen and it's not moving. So I usually will do Ctrl+Alt+Delete and then end the task that I have. There we go. And then you go to Task Manager and it allows you to figure out which apps are open and you can end the task for that particular app by selecting the app and then choosing End Task. One last one I'll show you for free. Since sometimes you don't want to have your desktop extended, but you want to do a split screen, you could take this and drag it to the left. See how I grabbed it here, and I went right across here in the middle till it snapped, and then allow me to pick what I want on the right hand side of my screen, and there you have it. A split screen. Thanks for joining us. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your LTI. Thanks for being a part of Digital Learning Day.